Hi, hello. How are you all? I hope you all doing fine. So welcome back to my channel, and today I am coming with a video in which I tell you how to log in your WhatsApp account into your PC and laptop in the most easiest way. As you know, Ali Tech for You always provide you a good and valuable content uh, to solve your problems, to solve your queries. So I request to you all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for my new videos. So today I am starting my video. Without wasting your time, let's start the video, and please watch my video till the end to get uh, more and more information and to get exact information and follow my step to log in your WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. So let's start the video. Before starting video, you need any browser in your laptop, in your PC, where you want to log in your WhatsApp account. So I have Google Chrome as always. Now let's start the video. So I'm opening the new tab here and closing all the previous tabs from here, and go to search bar and just write here WhatsApp web, like that. Then click on that button. After that, click on the WhatsApp web, first link you get after searching the bar. Now this is the WhatsApp page, WhatsApp displaying page. Here there is 3 steps to log in your WhatsApp in your PC. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap menu, like that, 3 dots in your WhatsApp account, and then click on that, and then go to settings. After settings, then select the first option named as WhatsApp web. After you click on the WhatsApp web, you have a scan. You have scan WhatsApp. Okay. After you open your scan camera, then your camera is open. After that, you just put your camera on this bar. So I just do this now. I am opening my WhatsApp in my phone, and then go to WhatsApp web and start clicking the scanner. Now I scan my WhatsApp, then you see automatically my WhatsApp is logged here. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp which login here. So now simply you can use this WhatsApp from here. Okay, then you see all your messages, all your chat here. So this is the most simplest way to install or to get WhatsApp on your laptop, on your PC. Okay, so I hope you all find this video easy. So I just trying to see you this. This is my mother's WhatsApp. Here I send my YouTube thumbnails and etc. much more things. So you can easily download any photo which you want to download from here. Just click on that, on the, now you first download this. After downloading, you can click on just right button and click on save image as, save image image as, then you open the storing saving side. You just store your pictures on the desktop and put your rename your photo as oh, then save it. Okay, after that go to desktop. After you find where is, oh yeah, here, this is the photo which I saved from the WhatsApp. So you can use WhatsApp in your laptop easily in the most simplest way. I hope you find this video is beneficial for you. So I request to you again, please don't forget to subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, sorry. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video.